Hey everybody, welcome back to another Catalyst preview video. In these videos, what we're doing is we are having the speakers at Catalyst this year share a little bit about themselves. And so I have a series of questions that would help all of our attendees learn more about the speaker and what you can look forward to learning from them. And so, Rachel, you are a very well-known individual or professional in the partner world, but for those who don't know you, tell them a little bit about yourself.
Sure. So I'm Rachel Collie. I'm the Director of Technology Partnerships here at Unanet. I always tell people we're about a $100 million company that's multi-product, multi-vertical.
Yeah,
That's really important because I run a big program on my own.
yeah,
I've been running this program for about 4 years now, and I've been running technology partnerships for about the last 10. I've done channel, I've done referrals, I've done
yeah,
implementation partners, but technology partners is where I love to be because I think it's really exciting what our partners are able to do when they integrate to our platform and
yeah.
the efficiencies that our customers can get out of it. So I love technology partners.
You and me both. By the way, that's how Partnership Leaders started. Chris and I and Ty were like, where do all the technology partner professionals hang out?
Yeah,
And
I
we
love it.
said nowhere. And so that's how we started, and now we're this big organization. So Rachel, what can people learn from you? You know,
Sure. So I think for me, I don't like being called a lone wolf, although when you run a partner program on your own, that's tend to be what you're called as a wolf. But I think that no matter if you're $100 million company, you're $1 billion company, you've got some processes and tips to really help you figure out a way to be more efficient
yeah,
and not always feel like you're completely underwater. And I think that when you're running a big program by yourself, there's always that tendency to always feel underwater. So what are some processes, some tips, some things I put into place here at Unanet that have made me feel not quite so underwater,
yeah,
and run a program that continues the hyper growth and hyperactivity. I also want to make sure that I kind of show individuals how to be successful, that I make sure every new objective that I'm launching lines up to some strategy within our vertical strategic pillar within our organization, because that shows my value, not just
yeah,
a number value. It
yeah,
shows you value if you can align to the strategic pillars within your organization. And three, the importance of aligning yourself to a C level, not
yeah,
just executive, but to the C level, because they
yes,
can be your champion within the organization
yeah.
and get your thought and get you more influence throughout the organization once you align to that C level.
Love it. Love it. I mean, we, as preparation for Catalyst, asked all the attendees what's top of mind for them. And everything that you said is covered in one of the 12 questions. So I'm sure attendees are going to have a fantastic time. You're going to be very busy for one, based on those
Thank
answers.
you.
The other thing that I'd love to learn is what's your favorite partner play? That's come up quite a bit that people say, hey, tell us about like, what are some of the innovative folks doing that works?
So for me, in January, February of this year, we launched a brand new integrations marketplace.
Okay.
And while not the most exciting thing to play in it, for me, what makes it great is that everything that you see on our unanet.com integrations page, that is updated by the partners. And that is something that it's taken some efficiency time back
Wow.
for me because they're in charge of updating it. So I
Yeah.
know the story is correct, I know the content is correct. And why
Yeah.
that's a great partner play for me is that when my sales team is asking me, Rachel, what can you tell me about this integration? I have one place to point them. I don't have to hunt through lots of documentation. I don't have to hunt through emails.
Yeah.
I can direct them right to our customer facing pages, and they
Yeah.
can give that to their prospects as well. So it just gives me a lot of great content that is partner updated,
Yeah.
that I know is accurate and true, and not hunting for other things.
Super. And then what happens like when people are able to find the right information? Do deals get accelerated? Do
Deals get
customers get
accelerated.
saved?
Salespeople and partners get connected faster.
Okay.
Customers and partners get connected faster. Our deals accelerate and they get closed faster, and they tend to have a higher win rates.
Amazing. Amazing. Well, Rachel, we're looking forward to having you there. And I'm personally looking forward to learning more about how you've managed to align your C-suite, which is a item that comes up or question comes up all the time, and there's different people solving it differently. So looking forward. Thank you so much for spending your time with us, and I'll see you in Chicago.
See you in Chicago.